tornado emergency for southwest Greene County and northern Craighead County. The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Greene County in eastern Arkansas, central Craighead County in eastern Arkansas, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. 8:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was observed over Black Rock, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Fontaine and Bono. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Jonesboro, Paragould, Bono, Lake City, Bay, Brookland, Crowley's Ridge State Park, Lake Frierson State Park, Walcott, Fontaine, Hergit, Macy, Shug, Gunpoint, Ferville, Dorothy, Lester, Light, Bethel, and Lanive. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning